but maybe you didn't see this news story. You can be forgiven for missing it because almost nobody wrote about it. Very few outlets really covered the story, even though I think this is one of the biggest stories of the last decade technologically. So I don't know if you know, there's a game called Go. Go is a very complicated board game. It's much more complex than chess, for example, an order of magnitude more complex. It has many different moves. And in this game Go, since 2016, computers were considered unbeatable long before ChatGPT. Because look, this is a type of game that's supposed to favor computers. It's purely combinatorial. You have to calculate combinations. Of course, the number of combinations is almost infinite, right? It's not infinite, but it's very, very large. So computers, even today, don't have memory to go through all the variations. So they use machine learning, same kind of neural network type models, not large language models, but different kinds of models to do this. And what's amazing is that there's an amateur player named Kevin Pelrine, I think a hero, figured out through adversarial examples, which I'm going to cover on September 28th, how to beat such a model. So in this story, we'll see that Kevin Pelrine, an amateur player in Go and a computer scientist, figured out how to beat computers, machine learning, neural networks, AI, in the game of Go. And he won 14 or 15 games decisively from the top AI without the help of a computer. Now, he used computer to study up to find what's called adversarial examples, which I'm going to teach you about on September 28th. But this is amazing, right? This person beat up on essentially the top neural networks in 2023, beat up on all of them decisively. And yet, he's not on the cover of Time magazine or whatever. He should be the man of the year, but he's not. Why? This is a question we will explore on September 28th. Why such an amazing news story, right? He's not covered. Because remember when Garry Kasparov, the chess player, lost to Deep Blue and played computers, it was covered worldwide as a major story. Yet, a person in 2023 beating a much more powerful computer, orders of magnitude more powerful computer than Garry Kasparov lost to, in a game that is orders of magnitude more complex, gets barely any coverage. Why is that? We'll discuss on September 28th. Hopefully you learned something. You can go into ChatGPT and try these examples, try the sorting. You can show your friends that it's not invincible. Right? In order to use something, you need to understand it's a tool. It is not your overlord, and it's never going to be our overlord. So I'll see you on September 28th. I'm also going to record a few more short lessons for this course.